pressure on SMB guards, pero nung third quarter talaga kayo sa alanganin. How did you regain your defensive form down the way?
Okay, let me just catch my breath a second. Okay, yeah, it was a tough game. First, we'd like to offer this game to God and acknowledge the other team. And siguro allow me to give a shout out to my son Asa watching, and my wife Lani. Yeah, it was a very tough game. Alam naman natin perennial title contender, and with the performance that they have during this conference and even the past conferences, it's a tall order. I think we were able to hold them down ng 12 points in the first quarter. That's huge. And overall offensive rating to under 40%. Malaking bagay yun na depensa. But we are aware na San Miguel is too good a team para i-hold mo sa ganun the whole game. So we were ready for that comeback. And maganda, we started strong. Somewhere, like you said, in the third quarter, medyo, actually yung third and fourth, we gave up 30-point quarters eh. But what's nice kasi we were able to give it to finish strong. So we started the game well. There was a challenge. There was a comeback. But we were able to pull through. For a young team like ours, napaka-importante nun eh. Kasi that builds character, yung nasusubukan ka, the nerves, the pressure. We can do everything sa practice eh. Pero yung pressure na yun, hindi mo mailalabas sa practice yun. Sa game mo lang makukuha yun. And yun nga, coming into the playoffs, malaking bagay yun. Maybe somehow may memory na kami on how we're able to play that way, especially sa end game. Last 5 minutes, I told the guys na mga 12-10 possessions to, kailangan makastop tayo, kailangan makatahi tayo ng stop and make. And yun lang, we stayed together. Talagang marami kaming kailangan gawin and marami kaming kailangan pagpalit-palitin para makasagot kami dito sa SMB. And it's nice lang na nag-respond yung team. So all the credit is to them kasi na-execute yung game plan namin. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Now, Shawnee, when San Miguel was breathing down your neck, you managed to equalize with your crucial jumpers and also in your defensive tenacity. How did you manage to bring that out in the game during those crucial moments?
Yeah, it was definitely a tough game, but I leaned on my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ to just give me the strength to go out there and just continue to compete even while I was tired. And I continued to lean on Him, and as well as our teammates, we lean on each other as well while we're out there. JL played really hard defense. He made some threes that opened up the paint for us, and it allowed us to attack and allowed me to get those mid-range. So it was definitely a team effort.
Thank you, Shawnee. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
You managed to score against this heavily defensive-oriented San Miguel team. Do you think this, for you personally, is a statement game that you can handle the big boys of the league?
Statement game, I feel like that would definitely come in the playoffs. I feel like those games is when it really, this game mattered, but the playoff games is when it really gets turned up and it's the heat's on you. So I'm just stay humble and we played hard today and we got a really good win, but we have to continue to work hard and go back into the lab and get ready for the playoffs.
Coach, could you discuss lang po yung play ni Arana and Bati in the end game na although si John Mark dominated the paint, parang in the end meron din silang mga stops.
Yeah. Ilang time MVP ba yun? 9 ba? Ilan ba? Hindi ko mabilang. So, hindi mo talaga masastop yung JMF eh. Hindi mo probably, well, one of the best players na nakita natin. Na not only sa local pero Asia siguro. So, yung maging uncomfortable lang siya ng kaunti, malaking bagay na sa amin. And it took two Justins. It took two Justins and maybe the whole team. It's a total team effort. Pero yun nga, I'll just like to put it in context. Eliminations lang to eh. This is nothing. If we don't follow through sa playoffs, this is nothing. So, kung ano yung nakita nyo na effort, kung ano yung nakita nyo na connectedness na depensa team game a while ago, we should follow that through. Dadagdagan namin yun for the playoffs because this win is nothing if we don't get through to the playoffs.
Just a follow-up question. This is Converge's last game of the elimination round, and of course against the perennial contender like San Miguel here. How big will this be for you personally heading into the playoffs?
As a team, it showed that we can compete. San Miguel is a very strong team with a strong history. It showed that we can compete with a team like that. So it gives us some motivation, and it gives us some motivation to continue to push going into playoffs because we know we can do it, and it's up to us.
Coach, medyo out of focus yata si Alex Stockton.
Oh, it happens to all of us. I'm least bit worried dun kasi nangyayari naman yun. I mean, he's been playing well and may law of averages talaga. I mean, you would want consistency. Pero kahit pa paano, his presence was there, hindi lang yung usual numbers niya. Nangyayari yun. I mean, napaghahandaan siya ng ibang team. And yun nga, pagka San Miguel, medyo fired up yung bata eh. So, may magsi-step up naman, pagka ganun. Kumbaga, nandun naman yung ibang team kung sakasakaling medyo mag-dip yung numbers niya. But he's a pro and he know how to handle himself. Ano lang to, is one of the games lang to.
And that's some support hosting a press conference. Thank you.
Thank you and good night.